Have you given exam in 2023 or 2024 and now you are planning to sit for the exam in 2025 and not too sure what changes are there, what templates are working? Don't worry. This tutorial will focus on the new changes and which templates can really help you to get perfect 8 each in the exam. Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Visual Language Experts. I'm going to show you the key changes, what used to work before and what works now, so you can understand the difference and you would know automatically which thing to follow. And if you're new to channel, you have not subscribed, I request you to do it, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Now let's talk about this example of essay. Now this is the type of essay template which used to work in 2023, even in 2024, where you just had to put the topic keywords, right? Now, these kind of essays used to give perfect marks, 15 out of 15. Now, if I give you the example over here, we have air flights and then we have picked up a topic, keywords only over here, and we have also picked again topic keywords here and here as well. That means we are not putting any content from our side. Now, this template used to work, but in 2025, this template will not work. You need to have a comprehensive template or a structure which helps you to put your own ideas. Yes, you need to put your own ideas. Don't be afraid. I'll show you how you do that also easily. So you just need to go to visuallanguageexperts.com.au. Once you sign up over there, you will be able to see this template bar. And I'm going to show you the same template which I give it to our paid students or face-to-face or online students. So you're getting this free of cost. You just need to show some love, do subscribe and hit that like button. Now let's talk about this writing template. Now this is the template you need to use now in 2025. Here what we're doing is we're not only just putting the keywords, but we are including the content from our side in this space and in this space. Okay, so first paragraph you can put the keywords from the topic. Over here also you can put the keywords from the topic, and at the last stage also, in the last paragraph, you can put the keywords from the topic. On the other hand, the second paragraph and third paragraph will not be like same. You need to put your own content. So over here we are putting positive. Here you can put either positive also or negative also. If you need to put something negative, just use word against and put negative keywords here. If you need to put something positive, you just put in favor of and put positive keywords. But you do not need to put longer phrases, longer sentences, because a lot of students make grammar mistake. That's why we have made this template, which is a universal template, which will work for every single question. But let me show you how you need to put the keywords. Now guys, this is one of the recent exam questions. I have put over here the entire template and I have also included the keywords. So the first set of keywords over here are products and services, which is basically from the question statement. And here also I put the question statement only, which is in some companies, employers take workers' opinions, which is from here. But in my second paragraph, over here I have put increasing motivations and enhancing productivity. So this is a set of content which I need to put from my side. So obviously I am putting positive points here. So I'm saying that it will increase motivation and enhance the productivity if employer is taking opinion of their basically employees, okay, in the consideration of products and services. Now similarly over here I have to discuss the disadvantages, because they have asked us discuss advantages and disadvantages. So here I'm going to put against and I'm going to put negative points. Negative points are like it will obviously lack concentration. They will not be able to focus too much on their core tasks. And similarly, making wrong decisions, because obviously they will not have that much expertise. So I have put down over here the negative points. And the last space over here, I have put down same keywords, which is from the topic statement, workers' opinions in consideration of products and services. Now, this is the kind of answer PTE expects in 2025. Template will only work, structure will only work if you're putting something from your own, but it should be relevant to the topic. You cannot put generic things. You cannot just put increasing knowledge and enhancing productivity. Okay. These keywords are very generic. They want something specific. So this is very important that you put specific content. Now, if you need a list of specific keywords, you can go to prediction files folder over here and you will be able to see the essay keywords file over here, which can help you to get better keywords for all the essay type questions. Now let's talk about describe image. Now describe image template used to look like this, where we used to repeat same sentences again and again. From the image I can see dash and dash, from the image I can see dash and dash. Now this used to work even in 2024, but this is not working anymore in 2025. Now what has changed? PTE wants students to put trends. They do not want students to use same structure again and again. So we need to put variety of elements, and that needs to be changed every time. Okay. So it's really important that students must understand that they need to put keywords from their side, but in a very structured manner, which should not be picked by algorithm. If your answer is picked by algorithm, that means if it is flagged by an algorithm, it will go to human for rechecking, and that's where you will lose the marks. So let me show you the template which will help you to tackle this problem. That means the template which is working in 2025. Now this is the correct template which will work in 2025. So keyword and keyword or the heading of the image was the main topic. Keyword and keyword was on the left side. So if there is something on the left side, enter that. If there is something on the top side, you can put on the top side. Similarly, the second sentence would be on the right side, or if there's nothing on right, put on bottom side. So every single time this will change, and you need to include the right set of keywords. So you cannot include what's mentioned at the bottom and say that's on the right side. So it will be incorrect. So always say it correctly. Then we will say keyword and keyword was shown, keyword and keyword was mentioned, right? But what other things you need to include? Let me show you. So after November 2024, these changes have been introduced. So you also need to ensure that after you have used highlighted and mentioned, you need to include highest and lowest element as well. So for example, if this is an image, what would be the highest and lowest? Highest and lowest would be Asia and 310, which is over here. Asia and 310 is highest, and what is lowest? Africa and 40. So over here we can say Africa and 40, or even from here Africa and 40. Doesn't matter even if you pick something lowest from somewhere else, highest from somewhere else, but you need to say it correctly. And then the last sentence is gonna be dash and dash was given. So again the remaining keywords will put over here. So this is the updated template you need to use for describe image. Now please ensure if there's nothing highest or lowest, use words like elements, stage, and even something you can put such as component, but make sure that you use different set of vocab so that this is not flagged and you can get perfect scores. Now similarly, if you look into the Retell lecture, it was very similar, where we just used to pick up keywords only, but this will not work anymore. You need to ensure for Retell lecture you include phrases. Now let me show you the updated template. Now this is the updated template where you need to put a phrase. If you do not have a phrase, what you can do is you can join two small phrases and put it into one long phrase, such as global warming and rising temperatures. So these are two separate phrases. You can join them and put it into one phrase. But if you are not putting phrases, your marks will be lower. If you have no phrases at all, it will be flagged by AI and it will go to human for reevaluation, and most likely you're going to get 0 in the Retell lecture. So pay attention to this. You need to include phrases. Without phrases in Retell lecture, you're not going to get perfect marks for speaking or for listening module. Now it's really important that you implement these changes, practice on Visual Language Experts portal again and again before giving the final exam. And before sitting for the final exam, also give one full mock test on VLE portal where you can get similar scoring just like the real exam. Now if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, show some love, make sure that you also subscribe if you are new to channel. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. I hope it was valuable. If you want me to make tutorials like this on any different topic, put it in the comment section. I will try to reply to your comment as soon as possible. Don't forget to watch these two tutorials. These videos are going to help you to boost up your marks and help you in your PT preparation. Thank you. I'll see you next time.